over 2. Okay, so what I don't know is t sub 10. I know t sub 1 is equal to 8. T sub 10 is equal to t sub 1 plus 10 minus 1 times d. Okay, so plug in that information. 8 plus 9 times d. d is negative 4. 8 minus 36 equals negative 28. So let's plug in that. That gives me 5. T sub 1 is 8. Negative 28. Remember, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we get negative 100. That's for the arithmetic. Let's look at it for the geometric. Okay. S sub 10 is equal to T sub 1 times 1 minus R raised to the 10th over 1 minus R. Okay, well, T sub 1 I know. T sub 1 is 8 times 1 minus R to the 10th over 1 minus R. Okay, in this case, R is equal to 4 divided by 8, or 1/2. Okay, so 1/2, 1/2, 2 to the 10th. 2 to the 10th is 1,024. Okay, so that's 8 times 1 minus 1 over 1,024 all over 1/2. So that's equal to 16 times 1023 over 1024. And then 1,024 is divisible by 16, so that'll reduce to 64. So I get 1,023 over 64. Geometric series. If the series has no sum, say so. We're talking about an infinite series. Okay, so we need to know t sub 1. Okay, t sub 1 is 12, and we need to know r. Negative 9 over 12, which is negative 3/4. And so S infinite series is t sub 1, 12 over 1 minus r. Okay, and so 12 divided by 7/4 is equal to 48 over 7, which doesn't reduce. Okay, so we see t sub 1 is equal to 3/4. R is equal to 3/5 divided by 3/4, which is equal to 4/5. Okay, so that works out. So S is equal to t sub 1, 3/4 divided by 1 minus 4/5. So 3/4 over 1/5. That equals 15/4. Okay, again, t sub 1 is equal to 18. R is equal to negative 12 over 18, which is negative 2/3. So I can find S sub infinity, or the infinite sum, 18 over 1 minus a negative 2/3. So 18 divided by 5/3. And that's equal to 3 times 18 is 54 over 5. Okay, t sub 1 is equal to 8. R is equal to negative 12 over 8, which is equal to negative 3/2, which is not equal to, the absolute value is not less than 1, so we have no sum. Same thing here, where we got this infinity. So S sub infinity is equal to t sub 1 over 1 minus r. T sub 1 is equal to 7 times 1/2 to the first. So I get 7/2 divided by 1/2, and so I get 7. Again, infinite sum. This is r, so we're good there. Remember, the 1/2 was r here. whatever's being raised to the power will be your multiplier. Will be r. Okay, so 7 times 9 tenths over 1 minus 9 tenths. So I get 63 over 10 divided by 1 over 10. So I get 63. Okay, so move for the remainder review. We'll either use that or we'll use Pascal's triangle. We want to expand and simplify. So that's that row. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So that makes it x to the fourth plus 4x cubed y plus 6x squared y squared plus 4xy cubed plus y to the fourth. Okay, fifth row makes it that one. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Make that one a little bit further out. 1. So it makes it x to the fifth plus 5x to the fourth times 2 plus 10x cubed 2 squared plus 10x squared 2 cubed plus 5x 2 to the fourth plus 2 to the fifth. So I simplify x to the fifth plus 10x to the fourth plus 40x cubed plus 80x squared plus 80x plus 32. There and there. Same type thing. Sixth is this bottom one, 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. Is that right? Yeah, okay. So that makes it 3a to the sixth plus 6 times 3a to the fifth times 2 plus 15 times 3a to the fourth times 2 squared plus 20 times 3a cubed times 2 cubed plus 15 times 3a squared 2 to the fourth plus 6 times 3a times 2 to the fifth plus 2 to the sixth. Okay, simplify as best as we can here. Right, so 3 to the sixth, that's 243 times 3, 2 to the sixth, no, sorry, 3 to the sixth, 3 raised to the sixth, 3 raised to the sixth, 729. Okay. 729, a to the sixth. Plus 6 times 243 times 2, 2,916, a to the fifth. Plus 15 times 81 times 4, 4,860, a to the fourth, plus 20 times 27 times 8, a cubed, so that's 4,320, a cubed, plus 15 times 9 times 16, 2,160, a squared, plus 6 times 3 times 32, 576, 576a plus 64. Should have given you more space for these. Sorry about that. Alright, so x squared minus y squared to the 8th. Okay, so we had 6 over here. So 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. Okay, and then from there it would be what? 1, 8, 28, 4, or 56, 70, 56, 28, 8, and 1. Okay, so let's try to do our best here. Let's go piece by piece. Let's just do x squared to the 8th. And then it's 8x squared to the 7th. And we'll do, 28 x squared to the 6th. 56 x squared to the 5th. 70 x squared to the 4th. 56 x squared cubed. 28 x squared squared. 8 x squared. And then the last times something, and again this is squared, cubed, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Last one will be to the 8th, and then it's negative y cubed, negative y cubed, negative y cubed. Good thing coefficients aren't going to change much, just the signs and the powers of the exponents. A lot of powers to powers here. Remember, powers to powers you multiply. So we'll do it piece by piece. That's x to the 16th. That's 8x to the 14th minus y cubed, so minus 8x to the 14th. This is 28x to the 12th, y to the 6th, positive y to the 6th, 56x to the 10th, negative y to the 9th, 70x to the 8th, y to the 12th. You can start to pick up a pattern. 56x to the 6th, y to the 15th, and that's negative. 28x to the 4th, y to the 18th, and that makes it 8 negative x squared, y to the 21st. The last one is positive y to the 24th. So you add all those together. So I don't really have a lot of space here to do that, but I'll start. X to the 16th minus 8x to the 14th, y cubed, plus 28x to the 12th, y to the 6th, minus 56x to the 10th, y to the 9th, plus 70x to the 8th, y to the 12th, minus 56x to the 6th, y to the 15th, plus 28x to the 4th, y to the 18th, minus 8x squared, y to the 21st, and the last one is plus y to the 24th. Okay, and so that's your answer there. Okay, make sure you pay attention. That's one expression.